Are you looking to submit a report through the Information Reporting application? Go to www.ncdor.gov, scroll down to Online Services, and select Information Reporting. From here, you are able to launch the web application. Once you're in the application, you can select Test File Formats. This allows you to test your files to uncover any errors prior to submitting the report. On the home screen, you can select to submit a report based on if you are an ABC board, occupational license board, or beer and wine wholesaler. In this tutorial, we will submit a report by a beer and wine wholesaler. On the Submitter Information screen, select the year for which you are filing, then enter the taxpayer's information to include the FEIN or SSN, ABC permit number, and contact information. Answer the questions listed on your screen about your organization and the report data that will be included in your submission. On the next screen, you can upload customer files, product files, and invoice files. There are specific file formats that must be used. Follow the file formats listed on our website. The Information Reporting application has a submission size limitation of 3 GB total for all files. Once you click Next, you will receive the message shown before continuing to the review screen. If you forget to include a file after you click Submit, you must start over and upload all files again, not just the missing file. After you select Continue, review all the information you entered and uploaded. Then, check the box to acknowledge your submission is accurate and complete and select the Submit button. Some files may take a while to upload and be validated. You must leave the window open until the process is complete. On the Submission Completed screen, you will receive a Submission ID number which serves as your confirmation number. Print this screen to keep for your records. The confirmation will not be emailed to you. For more resources, visit our website at www.ncdor.gov.